One day, Little Hedgehog saw a fox with cool curly hair. "So cool," he whispered. "I want that too." He hurried to a hair salon. "Hello, I want the coolest curly hair." Soon, his sharp spikes became soft and curly. "I look amazing." At home, Mom said, "Please go pick some apples." Little Hedgehog rolled in the orchard, but no apples stuck to him. He rolled again and again. "Why don't they work anymore?" he cried. Just then, he saw a big wolf. Little Hedgehog tried to lift his spikes, but they were too soft. "Oh no!" He turned and ran home fast. Mom said gently, "Did you think about what your spikes are for?" "They keep me safe," he said softly. "They are perfect for me." Like and follow.